4:30. Got our monster. Back it into traffic. Let's get her done. The sun is up finally, which is a good thing. We've been going for a while now, and driving that early in the morning is kind of exhausting, really. It kind of ruins the whole day. By 7 o'clock at night, you're tired. Anyways, we are on our way to, I have no idea, by like Miami somewhere. I haven't done the GPS in yet. I just know we're headed south, so we are in South Florida currently. I can't really flip the camera around and show you, but I don't know if you can tell, but that's basically South Florida. I mean, it's actually a really bad view. You can tell it's South Florida because all the Brazilian pepper growing up on the side of the highway. I don't know. I think we're coming up on Okeechobee soon. Lake Okeechobee. We should be passing through that region of Florida here soon. But anyways, we are on our way to go look at a new piece of equipment. And it's super exciting, super huge. Like, might be like wide load transport, you know, semi-transport big. We'll see when we get there. We've heard some rumors that you can pull on a gooseneck, but that don't make no sense. So, we're just gonna take a look at it, put eyes on it for the first time today, test the, you know, check the fluids, make sure it runs and all that kind of, you know, AC works. Hey, we know the AC doesn't work actually, but it needs to blow air, you know, that kind of stuff. Just so you aren't throwing a bunch of money into a pile of junk. So, see you at the next filming location. The plot thickens. Hold on. I think my lane is ending. Yep, it is. Anyways, so I'm on my way to, actually it's Homestead is where I'm going. It's not Hialeah. I thought it was Hialeah. It's not. It's Homestead. So south of Fort Lauderdale, north of the Keys, basically. Nothing in between. That's worth going to at least. But anyways, Travis, the little Facebook marketplace bug that he is, actually found a second machine. So he's on the way to go look at that one. Well, I'm on the way to go look at this one. The one he's going to go look at is a bigger machine, and the one I'm looking at is like the medium-sized machine for this brand. You know, I mean, obviously it's a mulcher. You know, that's what we're looking at, our mulchers, because that's what we do. So they both have Fecon heads. The one I'm going to look at has a Fecon head, and it comes with a large brush cutter. Not very useful for what we do, but it's cool to have it and just look at it and have heavy iron. So I don't know. We're gonna go down here, take a look at this machine, see which one's nicer, see which one's gonna require the least amount of work. We really just wanted to buy the machine, load it up on a semi, and drop it off in the middle of the woods and have it go to work. That's the goal. I don't want to take it to Cat and have them fix it, you know, or even just try and fix it in the driveway or whatever. It's kind of too big for a driveway, but you know, lots of options, which is good. But at the same time, just like with a customer, if you give them too many options, the brain shuts down and they freeze. So I'm really trying not to freeze. I'm trying not to let these deals freeze and just kind of force one through. But it has to be the right deal. So, you know, Anyways, we're in Fort Lauderdale right now. We're going through. Semi's coming over. So we're about, like I said, we're about an hour out. And yeah, so we'll see what happens. It's definitely going to be interesting over the next few hours. Never been this issue before, but yeah. All right, guys. So we made it. I kind of ruined that video, didn't I? Because I just showed you the machine. That was a terrible reveal. Anyways, got a Fecon BH099, so Bullhog 99. I don't know, maybe the biggest one. The main, I don't know. HDT rotor with carbides. This is a Kershaw Clearway 800. It actually is pretty small, I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was a lot bigger than this. I kind of like it though, but it's kind of gooseneck transport range for like a triple axle and like a 550. But AC cab, which is pretty cool. 200 horsepower, I believe, John Deere engine. Got the turb ski right there. Oh yeah. Got a big ass winch. I believe it's a 30,000 pound hydraulic winch. That must be the button for it. Foam filled skidder tires. But yeah, this is the one I'm at. Travis is at the other one. The other one that Travis is at is a much bigger machine for sure. But we bought a machine.
Yeah, it's a machine for sure.
Happy?
I will be once it starts working.
Kershaw 1010 with a Fecon BH099. Hi, Marshall. Thank you for tying the machine down.
You're welcome.
That tire looks a little low.
The tire's a lot of low.
Oh, it's a lot of low.
Yeah.
Okay.
But on the bright side, it's only flat on the bottom.
It's only flat. All right, good. Oh, yeah, we'll probably have to fix that and fix. Oh, that's because it's low. I don't even want to get close to that. It's because of that. But
The other one doesn't hold any air at all.
yeah, it's just for tread.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Travis's buck pack.
Yeah, I'll try to keep that off the YouTube. Don't wanna scare children.
What?
It's flat because of that.
I don't know if it's blown or what, but it wasn't like that 20 minutes ago.
The Triceratops Kershaw is loaded. We blew the dang tire. I mean, blew both of them pretty much. On the way to the tire shop, it did not hold out very long. So now we wait for the mobile tire guy to come here and do this for us. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, I need your cell phone number. Oh yeah, Kershaw has arrived at home. Sheepdog's chilling there. Are you excited, Travis? Gonna go mulch something. mulch a cow or something. Well, there it is. And all its glory. So the Kershaw is dead. Got the bat trace hooked up. Old sheepdog. Sheepdog. Yeah, this is Sheepdog. What's the name of your truck? Frank? We got,
Alright,
there's a neutral.
So you have hydraulic flow. That should be
It's slowing down.
forward?
Just pick it up, you're good.
No.
Yeah, you're good, come on off.
It's spinning backwards. There you go.
Yeah, there's a neutral selector for it. It's in drive again.
Huh?
That's reverse.
It's spinning backwards.
Up is forward.
That's still backwards.
I think up is backwards.
All right, let me come off on that.
Yeah, you're good. Send it. Woo! Oh, wait. Is that a tarp? You have a tarp in here. There's a tarp. That shouldn't be in there. You caught a tarp. Let it go. Let it rip. Let it rip. Put it down. Yeah, back up. Back up. Well, this is not going according to plan. Yeah. Open the door. All right, guys. So it is currently 7:45. We got the Kershaw back to the yard. Definitely have some things need to work out on the machine, as far as hydraulics and some greasing the machine, stuff like that. But the door on the mulcher doesn't open. It tries to, but doesn't open all the way. The battery's shot. There's a Murphy system on it, which we have to figure out how to bypass that, or how to actually effectively work with it, because currently we're bypassing it to get the machine to start. We need to fill the tires with foam, maybe, and fix some hydraulic lines that are leaking and stuff like that. The cool thing about this mulcher is it actually has forward and reverse on the drum. So if things get jammed in it or whatever, we can just reverse and bam, pops it out, as you just saw in the video. We caught that tarp and it was just like, let's stop messing with stuff. Let's grease the machine, change the hydraulic fluid, change the oil, get everything going right, and then go mess with it. Because we really don't want to have any breakdowns. We're going to put plexiglass inside the metal cage. That's currently where the windows are, and put an AC system in the cab, because this is Florida. Don't be dumb. Okay, it gets to 100 degrees in the shade. and then honestly, as soon as it's ready for full-time work, it's going to a job site immediately. Like, I mean, we're behind schedule currently, so you'll see a lot more of it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I don't care about the like, honestly, it doesn't matter. The subscribe button. If you're watching this, you've helped enough, because YouTube honestly just cares about time watched. So if you're watching at the end of this video, you're the real MVP for sure. But subscribe so you can see what we do with this stuff. We have some interesting plans with some mulchers that we found a mulcher for an excavator that might fit the 91,000 pound excavator that sits in the yard. So we'll see. It might be fun. So hit that subscribe button, check it out. This is the Bald Eagle Diesel YouTube channel, sure, but we're gonna put some work stuff on it. It's all diesel powered stuff anyways, and it's gonna be funding the trucks. Oh, I forgot, I don't know if I filmed it. We got a 450, it's a 99 450 with a 7.3 6-speed 4x4 with a welder, compressor, and a crane on it, service truck with the deal, and a roller that vibrates, but that's not important. The truck and the mulcher kind of go together, so it's a really cool deal, and it matches the 550, so I'm super excited about that. I mean, I'm not super excited, I'm excited. It looks cool. I mean, I like things that match. So that was part of the deal. So it's a pretty cool truck. It actually, I think it has a high pressure oil pump leak, because it doesn't want to start at first, like it has some leak down or something like that. I don't know. But just give it a little bump with some ether or some brake cleaner or whatever, and it starts. It gives it the hydraulic pressure it needs to start, and it runs like a champ. AC is ice cold, unlike the 550, which is boiling hot. Transmission shift's nice. It's not sloppy or nothing. It's got 334,000 miles, so it's warmed up. But yeah, I don't know. Got to figure out how to get this machine tip-top shape and send it out to a job site and make some money with it, make that money back. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.